In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Amazon Fire Stick remote if it's not working. Make sure you watch all the way through the steps because there's several fixes that you can try in this video. But before we get into these fixes, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do is reset your remote by removing the batteries. So slide off that back cover on your remote, take the batteries out, wait about 10 seconds because this is going to fully power down the remote. And while the batteries are out, check the diagram inside the remote and make sure that they're inserted the correct direction when you do put them back in. If that doesn't work, try using a fresh set of batteries because low power is one of the most common reasons that the remote will stop responding. From here, try repairing the remote. So go ahead and press and hold down on that home button for about 10 seconds just to see if the Fire TV ends up detecting it. If the remote still isn't working, restart the Fire TV stick itself by unplugging the power cable from the wall or USB port and wait about 10 to 20 seconds and then plug it back in and let it reboot. Another option is to use your phone as a temporary remote. Download the Amazon Fire TV app from the App Store or Google Play Store, connect it to your Fire TV, and use it to navigate. Once you're controlling the Fire TV with your phone, go ahead and navigate all the way over to Settings in the far right and open it up. From here, scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see a Controllers and Bluetooth Devices option. Open this up and select the Amazon Fire TV Remotes tab right here. Select Add a New Remote, and then hold the home button on your physical remote to try pairing it again. Hopefully one of these fixes will solve your problem. If this guide did help you out though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.